Next, let's deploy this website onto a live domain. Now, I did mention earlier that you can actually take the same website and then you can convert it into Elementor, Gutenberg, maybe even Divi. I'm not sure about that just yet. I've messed around with it and it's not too friendly with HTML, but Elementor is. But let's just go ahead now and deploy this to a live domain. So over here, I'll click on share. And then here is our project HTML. I'll click on download. Here it's saying project archive or standalone HTML. I want to use the standalone HTML and then click on export. Now, while that's building, let me show you the recommended web host. Now, in the video description, there is a link and a coupon code to hostinger.com. Now, obviously, this is the web host I recommend. Reasons why is because it's really cheap to get started with Hostinger. They give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you build a website, it's not working out, no problem. You can always get your money back. Now they have a new plan called Unlimited, where you can host unlimited websites on your hosting package for like less than $60 a year. It is like dirt cheap, to be honest. So the one that I recommend to go with is the Unlimited plan. So once you get here, click on Choose Plan, and I'll show you my coupon code. Next is the period. Now, honestly, the 48 months sounds expensive, but 4 years of hosting for under $200, like you're not gonna find a better deal than that. I currently pay about $80 a month for my web hosting. It's quite expensive, but I know many of you are just getting started out, so I would recommend to go with the 12-month plan. And we have a coupon code that'll save you even more money. So over here under have a coupon code, if you enter the coupon code Daryl10 and click on apply, you're only gonna pay about $57 for a year of web hosting. So go ahead and check out. And once you do that, I'll show you how to take this website and put it on a live domain using Hostinger. So going back to our website, I now wanna download the HTML file. So right here, I'll click on download. Okay, so now I've downloaded that file and I'll go back to Hostinger. And this is the H panel. So this is the backend. And all you gotta do is just go over here to websites. And then over here, you'll just click add a website and then select HTML website. And then you'll type in your domain name. Now, I'm just gonna use a temporary domain for now, but you can just use one that you got because you got one for free. Why not? Why the hell not? Here, click on use temporary domain. And then here's our dashboard. And all we're gonna do is go over here to our file manager, click on open, and then we'll double click the public HTML. So I'll double click. And then this file, we're just gonna delete it. We don't need it. So I'll click on delete. And then we're gonna take that file and then just drag and drop it. Drag and drop it just like that. All right, so now it's uploading our website. And boom, there is the website. Now, all we gotta do is rename this to index. So I'll right click, rename, and then we're just gonna rename this, whoops. There we go, one more time here. Here we go, backspace, and then we're just going to rename this index. Index.html, rename, and we're done. Now let's go back to our website over here and let's open our new website. And here is our beautiful website. And look, we got the cute little birdie. Look at the birdie. It's so cute, right? We have the woman here with the video. We have the animations scrolling down. We have everything intact. Everything looks perfect. And the great part about HTML is that it's really fast. It's like bare bones. So it is actually the fastest framework to use. So yeah, that is how